If you are looking for a low carb dressing alternative that you will put on repeat as part of your Thanksgiving menu, then look no further. I have got the recipe for you. The sides are what a lot of people look forward to for Thanksgiving, and that is for good reason because you guys, they are just that good. And today I am going to share with you one of my favorites, which is Thanksgiving dressing. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where I am sharing with you healthier versions of the foods that we love. It's official, you guys. We are now in November, so it is definitely time to start planning our Thanksgiving food menu. I love to do it earlier because I'm a prepper, you guys. And again, my schedule is hectic and it's busy, so I like to plan things in advance. And one of the things that I absolutely love are the Thanksgiving sides. Just because I am following a lower carb diet does not mean that I will compromise on the flavor of my foods, which is exactly the reason why I came up with this, I have to say, a phenomenal Thanksgiving dressing recipe. It is packed with flavor. It is moist. And you guys, the key to it all is to make the bread in advance. Both recipes are low carb. I've got a low carb cornbread. I've got a low carb biscuit, or you can do both. You make them in advance, you dry them in the oven, and then you can just put them in a bag and seal it away until you get ready to make that dressing. And the beauty about it is all of the delicious flavors that you love in your dressings. Everybody has their favorite. So the things that you love to put in your dressing, okay, you put exactly the same things in this dressing as well. The only difference is we are keeping it low carb and gluten-free because of the base, which is the bread. So you guys, without further ado, enough talking, let me show you how it's done. Chop up the bread and then add it to my bowl, my mixing bowl. And that's what we have so far. One full recipe of a keto biscuit. I'm going to add this to the mixing bowl. So this is what we have so far. I'm going to start with this chicken, which after it cooled down, I shredded. The celery as well as the onions, which have cooled. Then I've got some more poultry seasoning. Some Italian seasoning. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And add this one beaten egg. And lastly, this broth. This is definitely one of these recipes that you are going to put on repeat in your kitchen because it is that delicious. And if you are interested in learning how to make healthier versions of other recipes that you love, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, Click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor, but not the unhealthy stuff. I want to thank you all so very much for joining me. And if you enjoy this recipe, please do remember to give it a like. And if you know others that you feel would benefit from the content that I am bringing you here, healthy versions of the foods that we love, then please do share my channel with them as well. And also please do remember to subscribe to my channel by pressing that subscribe button below. And remember, you guys, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And thanks again for joining me, and I will see you right here real soon.